Hi, this is Jon Modene with RE/MAX Masters and Masters Property Management, and I want to help you learn more about successful investment property strategies here in Northwest Ohio. And today's topic for my property management update is what are the highest ROI rental improvement projects in Northwest Ohio today. This topic for my update is taken from the concept that there is a finite amount of money that you have to direct to a finite amount of projects you can afford. So you have to make some choices. So let me help you do that. If you're looking to buy a rental or improve one you own, one question always comes up: what upgrades deliver the best return? Renovations all don't pay off the same way, and big spending rarely guarantees big gains. Still, the right updates can make a real difference with tenants today, and I'll cover the improvements landlords are getting the most returns from in 2025 and 2026, and the projects that fall short, in my opinion. Recently, I had a client who was getting their rental ready for new tenants in Waterville. They were set to spend around $10,000 on new kitchen cabinets just to make the place look more updated. But after checking with similar rentals in that area, what they were offering, I suggested a simpler plan. Paint the cabinets, switch out the hardware, add some modern LED lighting, and the total came in under $2,000. And a happy new tenant signed a lease within days at much higher rents than anticipated. You know, in today's market, smart updates really matter more than expensive ones. So if you're planning to invest in a rental or upgrade one or already own one, here are a few improvements that can give you the best return. Number one, boost your curb appeal. First impressions count even with rentals and tenants. A quick refresh outside can completely change how your property feels when you enter in. Add a fresh coat of paint, clean up the exterior, update house numbers, tidy up the yard, add some birch bark. Those are small details that make the home look cared for and can be the difference between someone scrolling past or booking a showing. Number two, durable, modern flooring. We generally don't use carpet anymore. It wears out quickly, it traps odors, makes rentals feel dirty and dated. But here's an idea: swap it out for vinyl plank flooring. Instantly change the character, the durability, the waterproofness, and give your space a clean, modern look without breaking the budget. Tenants notice the difference right away, and it also reduces long-term maintenance and carpet cleaning costs. Looks great in photos, makes great while we're showing it, and makes a great impression. Makes your house or apartment stand out in the market. Number three, a simple kitchen and bath update. You don't need a full remodel in a rental to make an impact. A simple update like painting the cabinets, replacing faucets, adding modern light fixtures, switching out hardware can completely change how the space feels, often for thousands of dollars instead of tens of thousands. Most tenants care more about clean, functional, and updated luxury finishes. So aim for modern, simple, easy to use, and maintain features that photograph well while we're marketing your property and attract reliable tenants. Number four, add smart and energy efficient upgrades. Today's tenants again appreciate both convenience and savings. Some simple additions like smart thermostats, keyless entry, and LED lighting make your property feel modern, even if it's not a brand new property, and they cut down on energy costs, and they give tenants a little more control with how they spend money every month. These updates help justify higher rents and appeal to tenants who value efficiency, comfort, and control. As a bonus, they can reduce lockouts, lower turnover, and even lead to better reviews. Number five, prioritize storage and functionality. It's something you don't think about if you live in a big house, but tenants always notice, and owners often overlook simple upgrades that can really help, are like closet organizers, pantry shelves, extra hooks, and towel racks make daily living easier, the space feel more thought out. Even a $150 shelving system can help your rental stand out and feel more move-in ready. You don't need a full remodel to boost returns. In fact, the most effective upgrades are usually the small, thoughtful ones that make a real difference to tenants. Maybe it's better lighting, extra storage, or a modern touch that makes the space feel fresh. If you're thinking about buying or updating or repositioning a rental this year, let's talk it through. I can help you look at local comps, figure out which improvements actually pay off, and run through what kind of returns to expect. You can also call me or schedule a free, no obligation consultation. I'm here to help. When I'm done recording this, I have to meet with an investor online who just emailed me and said, hey, we're writing offers on six rental properties today. So I've got my hands on the market. I know what's working. Let me help you. I'll send you a free copy of my latest real estate special report, How to Invest Smart in Northwest Ohio Real Estate in 2025 and 26. No cost, no obligation, sent free. Just send me your email and I'll send you a copy. Hey, the real estate market is constantly changing. It never stops. And we do things today in property management for investors that were impossible just 10, 20 years ago. So my team is always changing too and ready to help you and your family get the right help for your real estate problems. Our team motto is simple: a tradition of trust in Northwest Ohio real estate. The tradition of trust ethos works. It's based on proven biblical concepts, like always tell the truth and treat others better than you would want to be treated yourself. And I can't wait to help more people buy, sell, manage, and grow their real estate holdings. Thanks for watching. If you need help, if you have real estate questions, you want to sell or buy or have us manage your property, you can just call me at 419-466-SOLD. That's 419-466-7653. My email is john@modene.com. Check me out at besthomesintoledo.com, modene.com, or mlstoledo.com for every house and rental for sale in the area. Thanks for watching.